My name is Bernard Mundy, and what I want voters to know about in this race for the Common Pleas General Division seat in the field race is that I'm a native Cincinnatian, and my personal story really influenced my professional career. I was rescued from foster care in the spring of 1971 by my grandmother. I was raised in a working poor family, but she provided a stable and loving home that allowed me to pass the Walnut Hills test, which was the second big inflection point in my life. And I went on to Miami University, where I played football and studied broadcast journalism and decided to pursue a career in law. I graduated from UC Law School, and I've been representing indigent defendants for 30 years now in Hamilton County, handling cases from misdemeanor of the fourth degree criminal trespass all the way up to aggravated murder. I've had many trials, and I'm battle tested. Well, I was invited to run in the 22 cycle where I headed my first campaign, and it was unsuccessful. I hope to have a different outcome this time. But I've been a trial lawyer in this jurisdiction, criminal defense attorney representing indigent defendants for 3 decades now. And I wanted to bring a different perspective to the bench. Because of my personal background, I thought that I could bring insight and empathy. And I noticed that on my docket that men of color are overrepresented on the criminal docket, as it reference to their percentage of the population, but underrepresented in the seats of power. And I thought that I'd like to change that. I support diversity, equity, inclusion. I'm talking about ethnic diversity, religious backgrounds, or if you have no religion at all, socioeconomic background, educational background. And so I just think I can bring a different perspective to the Common Pleas bench. I'm a former member of the Queen City Youth Development Program, and as the title states, it was a youth development program where I did mentorship. And when I left that organization, I have been doing it privately. I have people who are in contact with young people who want to pursue a career in law, but they're not in connection with any professionals. So I frequently get calls from friends, and I will have a young person follow me at work, or I will have a meeting with them over coffee and explain to them some of the avenues that will lead to a career in the legal profession for folks who don't have access. If successful in my election, what I hope to accomplish on the bench is creating greater access to the legal forum for folks who are marginalized in our communities. Also, I'm very interested in recidivism reduction, some of the great work that's already being done, but seeing if I could help Judge Cross with the existing reentry docket. Also, I would like to just provide independence, impartiality, and integrity when judging, because recently I've noticed that courts, even the highest court in the land, they've moved away from the principles of stare decisis and following precedent. So I'd like to make sure that we follow just the facts and the law, we follow precedent, and we protect rights, and we do not take them away.